You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.